Unsa man? Ha? Bakit? Jaman ka? Tulog na gay ka no? Nangulit na ka? Manguhit na ron siya. Unsa naman kada? Kuhit naman kada ni mama. Tanawaran ko, nanguhit na. Tulog na ikaw. Tulog na ka? When you see mama lying down, you follow and wanna sleep na. Good na? Close your eyes na. Unsa man? What you want? You need mama's hand? You need mama's hand? Unsa man? Kiss na pug ka. Good night kiss na ka? Atik-atik naman na siya. Mahigda naman eh. Saan naman ka? Saan naman na mo akong kamot? Nguhit na. Higda na ka. Saan man? Higda na? Saan pa? May sige pa man kada push-push diya na ko. Gimassage ko ni mo? Gimassage ko ni mo? Oh, you sleepy na? Aray, uy. Yeah. It's already 2 o'clock in the morning. Why are you still awake? Ang sama na yung gibuhat na aray, ay mong kuko. Ouch. You have a very long nails. Ang saman. What? Ouch! Aray ba? Aray. Sakit. It hurt. Why are you looking me like that? Twilight? Click mo. Twilight. Aray. Nanangit na yung kuko dia. Twilight. What you want? Okay, dali na. Oh, you're looking for mama's hands. Are you looking for mama's hands? Nah, is that why you're waiting? Is that why you're waiting? Is that why you're waiting? Oh, is that why you're waiting? That's why? Oh, come on, sleep na. Dali na. Lay down your head na. Come on. Lay down na. Come on. No biting. Lay down na gani. Put your head down. Aray! Twilight. What are you doing? Okay, dali na. Come on na. Atik-atik lagi ba? Okay, dali na. Come here. Is that what you want? Asaban ka? What? We need to continue cutting your hair next week, okay? Okay, pagong na ka. Sige na. Lay down na. Ano akong iring? Ngita na ni katugo naman ni. May akong bedmate. Na. Okay, bye-bye.